Today I am reviewing Midea 5000 BTU Window AC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Looking for a compact, efficient, and versatile air conditioner for your bedroom, office, or study? The Midea MAW05R1JWT-B EasyCool 5000 BTU Window AC unit is designed to provide ultimate comfort in small spaces, offering cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes all in a single, user-friendly unit. Whether it's a hot summer day or a humid night, this 3-in-1 window AC is engineered to make your room more comfortable in just minutes. Starting with performance, this unit is capable of cooling rooms up to 150 square feet, which makes it ideal for smaller spaces like bedrooms, home offices, or study rooms. Powered by 5,000 BTU cooling capacity, the Midea EasyCool ensures that you can maintain a consistent, refreshing temperature without overworking your electricity bill. The Eco mode adds an energy-saving touch, letting you enjoy cool air efficiently and cost-effectively, while the fast cooling mode brings instant relief on the hottest days. What sets this unit apart is its quiet operation. Running as low as 52 decibels in low mode, it's nearly silent, allowing for uninterrupted sleep, study sessions, or work-from-home productivity. The 3-speed fan lets you choose from gentle airflow to stronger circulation, keeping air evenly distributed throughout the room. You can also activate the dehumidifier mode, which helps remove excess moisture, keeping your space comfortable and reducing humidity-related issues like mold or mildew. Ease of use is a major advantage with the Midea EasyCool. The unit comes with a remote control for convenient adjustments from across the room, letting you set the temperature, mode, and timer with just a press of a button. Additionally, the LED display on the unit makes it easy to check and adjust settings without any guesswork. The removable, reusable air filter captures dust, pet hair, and other airborne particles, helping maintain cleaner air and a healthier environment. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. The Midea 5K Window AC fits standard window frames with all mounting hardware included. While a screwdriver is needed, the step-by-step instructions make setup simple, and the compact size ensures it doesn't obstruct your view or take up too much space. Once installed, it operates seamlessly, making it a great option for renters or anyone who doesn't want a permanent HVAC solution. The unit is also backed by Midea's reputation as a global leader in air treatment solutions. With a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, you can trust that your investment is protected. The R32 refrigerant ensures environmentally responsible cooling, and the unit's 16.09 kilograms weight makes it sturdy yet manageable. In summary, the Midea MAW05R1JWT-B EasyCool 5000 BTU 3-in-1 window AC unit is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a compact, energy-efficient, and versatile cooling solution. It's quiet, easy to use, and offers multiple modes to keep your room comfortable all year round. For bedrooms, offices, and small living spaces, this unit delivers excellent performance at a great price, making it a top contender in the window air conditioner market. If you want a reliable, hassle-free cooling solution that keeps your environment comfortable and fresh, the Midea EasyCool is an excellent investment.